Welcome, fellow adventurers. Today we are going to embark on an exciting journey under the sea. A deep dive into the ocean of calmness, led by a curious creature, our octopus guide. Make sure you are comfortable, and close your eyes if you want. Let's begin our breathing with octopuses. Imagine for a moment you're gently floating in the quiet, soothing water. Around you, a world full of vibrant colors and soft movement. And there, an octopus, the maestro of this underwater symphony. Watch as it breathes, in and out, slow and steady. It's a mesmerizing dance, isn't it? Let's match our breath with its rhythm. Inhale slowly, drawing in the cool, clear sea water. Feel your lungs fill with air, and let this oceanic calm spread through your body. Hold it for a moment. Now, exhale, releasing the water, just like our octopus friend. Let all tension and stress flow out with your breath. Can you feel your body loosen, your mind relax? Repeat this process, each breath taking you deeper into this tranquil seascape. Watch as your octopus guide continues its gentle dance. The rhythm of your breath synchronizes with its movements, and you find yourself swaying to the same silent melody. Remember, our mind may sometimes drift away, much like a playful seahorse. If you find your thoughts wandering to the surface, don't worry. Just acknowledge them, wave them a polite goodbye, and return your attention to the rhythm of your breath, to the dance of the octopus. In and out, just like the sea gently rolling over the sand. Let's keep this tempo, immersing ourselves in the tranquil underwater world with our octopus friend for a few more moments. Now, as we prepare to resurface, take a final deep breath and sync with the octopus. Savor this moment of calm, this unity with the peaceful underwater world. As you exhale, slowly start to become aware of your surroundings. The room around you, the surface under you. Carry this serenity with you, like a seashell memento from our underwater adventure. And remember, like the octopus, you carry the rhythm of calmness within you. Just a breath away. Thank you for joining today's adventure. As you return to your day, carry this smile of serenity with you. Until our next journey, keep breathing and smiling, just like the octopus.